We're looking for 171. Second row. Let's see. Oh, I think I see it. Okay. Oh, Diane von Furstenberg. I didn't know this was in here. I think it's a small Christmas miracle. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is heavy. Oh my gosh. If you've ever wondered what happens when cargo, shipping containers all get lost, they end up for auction. I paid $1,775 for this mystery pallet of lost clothing. Thank you. What drew me to it was it said Lululemon in the description.
Okay, I might have just found $20,000.
I could get really lucky and find something amazing.
Yeah.
That's hard. I'm tired. Urgent update. I spotted the first Lulu, guys, so this better not be the only one. Whatever else happens, I got these cool sunglasses, so rate them from 1 to 10 in the comments. I'm very curious. What do you guys think? Yeah, it's a lot. A lot of miscellaneous stuff.
Little trick of the trade.
This isn't your first rodeo.
Secret of the pros.
That's a secret of the pros.
You just hope that most of it goes in.
Oh crap.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
Ow.
Should we go to the hospital?
No.
This is really stacking up. I didn't expect it to be this big. I feel like I'm getting a little better at this because I'm already seeing some brands that I know you're going to be excited about.
Okay.
So, first one right off the bat.
This Carhartt hoodie looks like it would have been new, but it's got a big tear.
Shoot!
But it'll still sell.
Okay, we'll knock 3% off.
This
Right?
tore.
Maybe it's like a style now. That was intentional, like jeans.
I know Ashley's smart, but she made a big mistake of leaving me in charge of kind of deciding the end total of what this stuff is worth. So she's going to give us numbers throughout, but if you want to see the end profit at the end, stay tuned if you want to see my attempt at gathering all this information.
So this would have gone for like, I don't know, $65, $70. With the flaw, I'm gonna say 40. But how many, can you count, while I look this up, count how many gyro helmets we have? Hero. Now here's what I do know. eBay, you cannot sell a pre-owned helmet of any kind. Some are selling for like $200, but these are kids' helmets, so I'm guessing they won't probably go for more than the ticket price.
These are youth extra small.
Brand new, these gyro, we'll never get this right. Okay, I see one, the orange one sold for $60. I think these will probably sell for close to retail, so that's good.
We got 8 of them. That's great.
We have 8 of them?
Yeah.
Yeah, so $500. This
Hey.
pallet cost me $1,775.
Okay.
We chipped away at it right here.
That was a good chunk.
They're like some unbranded, they look nice-ish. Maybe they'll still sell. I think we should have bins over here for like donate.
Yeah, good idea.
Nice job. I am very proud of you.
We'll have a donate bin and then an Uptown Cheapskate bin and then a Ashley's eBay store bin. Donate, consignment, Ash. A Bowden dress, a size 16. Decent condition. It's not brand new with tags. $30 or $40?
Ashley, huge win.
What?
Bob Barker.
What? Bob Barker sandal.
Barker.
Made in China. When shoes come in multi-packs, that's probably not a good sign.
Not a good sign, but it says Bob Barker.
There is no way.
They're prison shoes.
Are they really?
Yeah.
Cool. Okay.
They're shower shoes for prisoners.
I love it. Awesome.
I want the whole thing.
Do you need one of those?
Mini plumber. It's like for the sink drain.
Okay.
I have one. It's in black. I don't need this one.
Aww.
Darn.
Let's see, we got, okay, H&M. Divided is an H&M brand. H&M is going to be a consignment store thing because it just doesn't really move in my eBay store. This is just a double pack of H&M.
Here, let's do shoes.
Williams Steel Arch So I don't see a sold item for these random shoes, but there are some selling that shipped from Germany for $30, so that's not very promising. Ooh, some Adidas Swift Run 22s. So brand new, these are selling for like 60 bucks, 65 bucks, $65.
Nice.
They're new with the box. Rouge, this is nothing.
Yeah.
Bionic is good. These Bionic sandals would be great, but I don't see the matching one. We're looking for a white shoe with pearls on it. But Bionic is great. These would sell for like 40 bucks, easy. Ooh, Hokas are fantastic. Ooh, nice.
Fingers crossed.
These are fantastic. These are the women's Ahari 6. Okay, so brand new, these sold for like $120. TJ, I have some new shorts for you.
Oh, I like those.
You know that like when the tag itself has to advertise it as beautiful and fabulous, that generally means it's not.
Oh.
These are so adorable. These teeny tiny Vans. These are like totally starter walking shoes, and Crew did just take his first steps this week.
Took 2 steps today.
Those are so cute. Otherwise though, they'd sell for like $25. Some basic Adidas sandals. I actually have a bunch of these that haven't sold for me yet. And they sell for like 20 bucks, so not super exciting. We love Brooks. Let's see, these are the Addiction Walker 2s. Oh my gosh. These are like grandma shoes. Probably super comfy. Let's see. But these comfort shoes can sell for a lot. Cross your fingers.
Come on.
Yeah, like 70 bucks for brand new Addiction Walkers. You slip these over boots and they're steel toe that you can slip over any shoe. These do sell for like 30, 40.
Hey, cool. All right.
One is only going for 17, so maybe the other ones are reaching. Let's say $20 on these. That's not bad. Oh, we like On Cloud. The Cloud X. I have sold these before, so I know how much they generally go for. These will easily sell for like 90 bucks.
Nice.
More Adidas. Oh, just some kids cleats. Yeah, these are always 20 bucks at most. Oh, little tiny Crocs. Wait. Oh my god.
Cute.
These are they're like bedazzled glitter Crocs. Yeah, even like new, these are going for like 30, 40 bucks, even for kids.
Cool.
20.
I'm sorry. Quick crap crocking about.
Some Sam Edelman's, Horsebit Mules. Sam Edelman sold at Nordstrom and it's nice. The Linny Eggshell Mule. These will probably sell for like 40, 50 bucks. Zapped with an X is nothing.
Oh, darn.
Adidas, the Windbreaker retails for 70.
Okay.
How's it going?
I'm excited about these prison shoes. I keep finding more.
There we go. There we
Are
go.
these good?
Oh, Hey Dude is good actually. Hey Dudes are good. Every time I've gotten these, they've sold super fast. They're a kid's size though.
That's great.
So when I've sold these in like the adult size, they're like 50, 60 bucks. For kids, probably like 25. More H&M. They're 3XL though. That's a good size. I might try to sell that. 3XL H&M like men's joggers. Oh, Vince is good. Vince is a great brand that I resell all the time. This is like a ruffle collar, sleeveless top. Oh, not like 25, 30 bucks. I wouldn't be surprised if this retailed for like 100 bucks though. Okay, so sold comps for the Vince tank, 20, 30. So probably 30 bucks. This is my best guess. Donate pile. Oh my gosh, this is Bucket List, which I'm seeing some Bucket List tops going for decent money. So like 20, 30 bucks.
Okay.
That's not
Bread and
bad.
butter.
You need some fluffy shorts, polka dot shorts. We have a bunch of them. So hit me up. Okay, more of these shoes that are nothing. Tribal. There's nothing. What is this? A banner.
Well, that looks cool.
We gotta hold this up.
Hold on.
Wait, yeah, stand up on there. Merit. I merit. It says merit. Need
high quality data labeling? Have you been reading my diary? Let's go to the website.
We have your banner.
Look, they even like have a thing that says eBay on it.
That's great. That looks interesting.
Barber shop. Oh gosh, not another banner.
The past few items, you may notice I didn't change anything. I don't know what they're selling, what they're keeping. They didn't say on everything, so random number change, I think.
An Ashro tunic. There we go. I can wear this, can be mine. More H&M. This will again go to the consignment shop. Sheila Rose, nothing. I'm just seeing a lot of like the non.
I just hooked one. Wait a minute. Washing machine hoses? Public service announcement. Change out your hoses every 5 to 10 years. I don't know actually what they don't last forever. I don't know what the timeline
Really?
is. But you should change your hoses. The more you know. Da-na-na-na.
Another Adidas windbreaker. So far my keep to sell myself pile is pretty small, guys. Under Armour Project Raw. Black Adam training. The only comp I really see is from the United Kingdom for $18 plus shipping, but this is brand new. Who knows? This one it retails for $45, so it might sell for more. We'll see. Oh, hey! We got the other Vionic
Was that
shoe.
good?
Prison shoes. White House Black Market. White House Black Market is fine. Not
Here's another
the greatest
one,
brand.
White House.
It doesn't move very quickly in my store. I might do a consignment shop with that one as well.
Okay, I might have just found $20,000.
What? American Eagle dollar bill
Flex.
boxers?
No, $100 bill.
Okay.
Ashley,
Oh, I think this is like
That-
a drink cozy.
is this what goes in it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Is it for like a bottle? It's a bottle sweater. That's actually kind of cute.
You go to the bar and pull out your bottle sweater and
That's a good
What are
question.
the guys gonna say?
I don't know actually. Torchy's Tacos. I've heard really good things about Torchy's. Oh, another one. Torchy's Tacos. Do they sell for anything? Brand new, these only sell for like $10, so darn.
Okay, there's a paper in here. You ready? Auction
Oh, that's
information. Dang it.
this is my favorite.
I was all excited. I was like,
Oh, the Fenty underwears and underwear and bras retails for $20, but it's been selling in my store. LA Hearts, nothing. That's gonna be a donate. Top Golf fleece blanket. It retailed for $25.
Alright, here's what I've been doing. I've been secretly putting aside this entire time the massive number of Lulu pieces that I was actually able to find in this palette.
Stop.
I was blown away. There were, I don't even know if I can count that high.
Oh, are these Lulu? Teach, this is Under Armour.
Crap, okay? Stop, okay.
Dang it,
Stop,
Teach.
man.
That-
Shoot, now it's even worse. This is a total scam.
Jail.
Okay,
Okay.
a bra.
Oh, Lulu bra.
Is a Lulu bra good?
Yeah, those are good. 38 double D, $68. This will be like $40. Okay. I can
Okay.
sell that.
All of our hopes and dreams lie with what is under my
gosh.
left hand.
Okay. Oh no.
Okay,
That's all the Lulu there was?
there's 3 Lulu pieces.
Okay, do it.
Oh,
Oh, the jacquard scarf. Okay, the scarves can actually do okay.
just be worth $200.
These are selling for like $50.
Well, you got 2
So-
of them, so that's
Okay, so
$100.
that's $100. That's something.
Oh, we got $2.
Okay.
We got $2.
The new evangelization. So this book is selling for $8.23.
Score.
Used $2.
Score. Okay, but after eBay fees, that's $1.80.
South Carolina. Should we look this one up too? Get ready, Teach.
It's the #1 gardening book from South Carolina. It says it right on the package.
94 cents.
Help me, I'm poor.
Dang it. Okay, I'm gonna wear these. I'm not kidding. I'm just gonna wear them.
Oh,
I'm
these little cupcake pajamas.
keeping 'em.
Oh, and then, okay, wait. We have a queen size comforter.
Okay.
On Amazon, this exact comforter doesn't have a great rank, but it sells for $75. Maybe we do this as a local sale, because I don't want to deal with shipping. Crimson Tide. Just kidding. I'm guessing, Tej, you've been parting these out.
I was separating them by pants, sweaters.
You know, these will be great to donate. I think these will be good donation items. We can donate them to shelters. All is not lost.
Once again, great job. You are doing a wonderful thing.
Ralphie, we're waiting.
Check these out.
That is the most precious thing I've ever seen in my life.
Oh.
And comes with a matching purse.
I take back everything I just said. Everyone please unsubscribe.
Okay, so everything on the couch we've established is just not great.
That's not true. These are Under Armour.
Under Armour's fine.
Look.
They're pre-owned. These are pre-owned,
Look.
which I don't know why. I mean, they're fine.
Look, dig through it.
Oh gosh.
Flip through.
H&M again. So like we're doing a lot of Forever 21. These kinds of brands do fine at consignment shop. I'm just not seeing anything that like I would sell. Champion. Yeah. Shein. J-Lux label.
Well, pick them out. Pick through. Sounds like nothing's exciting.
You got
I don't want to look silly with the black shorts on. Okay.
I think it's a small Christmas miracle. We have a couple things that are a little bit valuable here. You take a look.
When stuff's in a bag, you say it's not worth anything. I'm not gonna know the brand, I already know it. Diane von Furstenberg. 100% silk jersey. Should I put this on?
I actually kind of want to try it on, to be honest. Do you see the tag? Look at the tag.
Oh, I didn't see the price.
Turn that over.
Whoa! Okay. $728. Wow.
Guess what? This one's a different print, but we have two DVF dresses that are new with tags, and these are going for like $250 to $300 each. So they retail for $1,500, but they resell for like $600.
Thank the heavens.
With everything I saw, I'm kind of guessing around the $2,300 mark is what the value is of what you're selling or taking to a consignment shop. So there you go. Can I have the water, the sink plunger thing, by the way?
Oh.
I think, to be fully honest, this is gonna be a break-even pallet.
It's gonna break even.
I think it's gonna break even. You guys.
Wow.
This is what a $700 dress looks like.
Well
it's pretty.
done.
It's a really pretty dress. I will say that. It's pretty.
Look, you look good, but what about these
You look
things?
really good.
So
yeah, you look very handsome.
I mean, you got some competition.
We have a lot of stuff that we can donate to some shelters. It's a great time of year to donate, right? So it all works out. Thank you for joining us. It was a fun adventure today. Not every pallet is a huge win, but
This one was.
But this one was.
So
Thanks again, guys. Bye.